Hi. Today we will discuss how we improve our communication skill. There's a lot of video on internet about the communication in skill, about the improving communication skill. But I feel this session will help you to a lot of you guys, because in this video we will cover the most important strategy, most important lesson, and most important task that if you can follow this task, if you can follow these steps, your communication skill not only improve but also improve a massive level, right? And you see, this is the step that I that and you say that this is the step that you told in this video. It's very very helpful for you. Yes guys, you told me. So बस इतना ही कहूँगा कि you have to watch the video till the end, right? And follow the steps. So, communication skills. What is communication skill? When when a person standing in front of you and you want to discuss a topic, when you want to talk to someone, when you want to that this person or that person, it could be her, it could be him or her, whatever you like and whatever you want to talk. So you want to, this person is this you want to become friend of him or her. Yeah, if you want to him or her become my friend, how is done? It's only done because when your communication skills improving, when you have communication skills, then you will confident about any topic, any place, anywhere that you want to speak. So how we improve our communication skill? Let me be very honest, and we covered in this video how we improve our communication skills, right? So first one is, communication skill is not a one day program, is not a one day task. It is a long process. You have to understand that, because when I say it's a long task, that you have to understand that when you hear and you are communicate with someone, you you your communication will start with someone or something else, and you want to improve your communication skills, right? And when you talk some when you talk with someone in 2 hours, for 2 hours, and you want that your communication skill will improve mostly, that it couldn't be done, right? Because this is the not one day program. Communication skills improving day by day. If you practice day by day, your communication will improve day by day. It's not a one day program. You have to understand that. So so how we improve our communication skill? First one is, pick a newspaper, go to the editorial section and read the editorial section. And you told me, you told you said that how we read the editorial page. So pick a newspaper, go to the editorial page and stand in front of a mirror and read the editorials. Make sure that the make sure that the your voice should be louder but the speed should be lesser, and pronunciation each word carefully and record it in your phone, right? Because when you when you pick a editorial page, when you pick a editorial and stand in front of a mirror and read it in front of a mirror, and you have to understand that your voice should be louder, it can be something like um, that I क्या कह सकते हैं, जो कि मैंने दिखाने वाला हूँ, राइट? जैसे कि देखो, I will improving my communication skill. I want to improve my communication skill. Today we will discuss about the many topics that I learned in my past, and I can say my past is very important for me to build my career, to build my future, right? And something like that. That means it's totally, that means when you pick a newspaper, when you go to the editorial section, and when you stand in front of a mirror, and when you starting to read the editorials, your voice should be louder, louder, right? And and your voice should be louder but the speed should be lesser. What is the should speed should be lesser mean? That means when I say this is the topic that I learned in the few years, and I want to improve my career, and I want to achieve this or that, or something like that. This is the speed faster. What is the speed lesser? I want to improve my career. I want to this, I want to that, I like her, I like him, or something like that. That means your voice should be slow. Each word clearly pronounce. You have to understand. This is the slowly word, right? And make sure your voice loud. This is the each word clearly pronounced, and voice should be louder. That means this is the video that I made for everyone that who wants to become communicator, who wants to improve your personality skills, who wants to become more confident, who wants to become improve your communication skills. This is the video for those guys, right? This is the steps that you followed. That one, first one is your pick a editorial pick a newspaper, go to the editorial page and stand in front of a mirror and read the editorials. Your voice, make sure your voice should be louder and your voice should be lesser, and each words clearly pronounced. And when you follow this exercise regularly, you will wonder that is a drastically change in your life. Your communication skill will more improve, right? And the second one is, after that, when you done this exercise, stand in front of वाला mirror के पास वाला जो exercise था, after that keep the newspaper down, go again in front of a mirror and do what you done before, right? That means if the editorial page that you have and read it in front of a mirror, speed louder but slow. If done this exercise, put the newspaper down, go back to the front of a mirror and speak in your own words, right? What you what you what you read in front of a mirror, what you read in front of a mirror, whatever you read in a front of a mirror, keep the newspaper down and and speak again and again in your own words without having a newspaper. Keep the newspaper down. Whatever you read after done this exercise, keep the newspaper down, and you have to speak in your own words in a front of a mirror. Stand in a front of a mirror, you have to speak your own words. Like in newspaper, you read, this is the generation we want to improve, this sentence in newspaper, and keep the newspaper down, and you forget the sentence, but you know what I read. So this generation is improve, this generation wants to improve, and I have to improve this generation, or something like that. You recall it and speak again and again, right? Speak in your own words, no matter what's written in the editorials. If the context you develop in your mind, if the know what's the written in this or that editorials, you understand that topic, you understand that the whole editorials, and you have to speak your own words. I hope you understand. And you wonder what is the value, what I am trying to say. If the following this exercise, you can't imagine how improving your communication skills. And after you read it, spoke about it, take spoken about it, and then take a piece of a paper and write it. What does mean that? It's mean that the news, if having a newspaper and front of a mirror, go to the front of a mirror and read it from by the help of the newspaper or the article. And the second one is put the newspaper down and speak in front of a mirror on your own words. And the third point is after done this exercise, you have to write your own words. You have to write those things that you speak in front of a mirror. You have to write it down in a piece of paper, right? Make it a habit to express your thoughts seamlessly and as a piece of a paper, right? Whatever you read, what whatever your thoughts in your minds comes in your minds, you have to write it down in a piece of paper. And trust me guys, this three things, this three, it can be say steps, it can be say it could be guiders, some things like that. When you follow these things, I cannot say how these things improve your communication skills. I can't say, because this is the best way to improving communication skills, right? I hope you enjoy the video and learn something new, right? And if I create a value in your life, if I create a value in your life, do subscribe, right? And follow for more. So today we will discuss the most important topic. I hope you enjoy with it. Bye.